Hello guys, ang aming dinner ngayon is western food and Hokkien mee. So yan po ang western food, may lamb, may French bean, and then may sandwich. At ito naman guys ang Hokkien mee. So ayan siya, may dry and then may soup. Ayan po ang sauce ng mee. So ayan ang aming